And India Maritime Week is the flagship event of Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, scheduled from October 27 to 31st at Bombay Exhibition Centre, where all the players of the maritime sector, of not just India, but the global players will be participating here. All the leaders, industry experts, the stakeholders, ministers, they all would be participating for taking the maritime sector and the maritime industry to increasing heights. It's a very important event for getting the maritime sector the due credit and the publicity and the significance that the major role that we play in the export and import of the country's business. And we are happy to have you all at JN Port today and invite all of you to come and participate in this conference from October 27 to 31st, and also would request you all to publicize this event and so that we get more participation from all of the states in Mumbai from October 27.
How many people will be taking part in from this India and abroad?
There are like increased participation. We are expecting a lot of registration in terms of delegation, and also we'll be having exhibition. So the registration is ongoing. So the exact number will be coming to know close to the event, but there would be a participation from all the stakeholders of this sector for this event.
What would be thrust from this event?
The main interest and thrust of this event is to get the partnership. Partnership is the theme even for the stall of JN Port that we will be having here. So its theme is partnership, that how JN Port, which is the complete 100% landlord port, so how on the basis of partnership, JN Port has become India's largest container port and also the best performing port.